What up, guys? It's Yummy VR. Today we are in a game called Cat Cafe, and we're back with my cat. But I just have one question: what if you give a cat a candy? Hey, Lullaby, want some? Oh, Lullaby. Oh, ooh, stinky. What about you, Fancy? Ew. Ew, what are they doing? Let's try it one more time. Everybody deserves candy. Here, have some.
Careful!
Yes.
My tail isn't a toy.
Rainbows! Rainbows! That's what happens. Looks like they just fart out rainbows. And what if I use this? Can I use this? Oh, it's just a new toy. Want it? Aw, that's cute. Fine, you can have some. You haven't had any. Yeah, rainbows. Yeah. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next video.